I got 271 over 300 in my A-level biology exam, and this is how I beat the examiner.
Okay, so we're talking about comparing. So we need to do similarities and differences between CT and MRI. Cool. Now, literally, I think listing them is kind of the best way to go about it. Yeah. So in a CT, what are we saying? Similarities, 3D image, still. That's the same for both of them. Didn't mean to rub that out. That's the same for both of them. Yeah. Both of them have 3D images and still images. Yeah. What can we say is different? This is where we can get more marks. CT is a lower resolution. MRI is a higher resolution. CT, dense tissue. MRI, soft. CT, magnetic field. CT, X-ray. Always would say about radiation as well. MRI uses a magnetic field, so it's safer. MRI is more expensive, and I always love the contraindication of metal implants and pacemakers. Yeah, can't do an MRI if they have that. Cool. That's how you do comparison. You give the similarities and the differences. Yeah, doesn't matter how much of each, as long as you give similarities and differences. Yeah. Then fMRI compared to CT for specifically brain function. Yeah, I want to see the ongoings, what's actually happening in the brain. fMRI is really useful for this because it shows us live activity. Yeah, and it does that. I always like to add it in by showing more blood flow. So where there's more oxyhemoglobin, those tissues need oxygen because they're respiring. This is why we're gonna see brain function with an fMRI. Yeah, I'd also just mention we're comparing it to CT. Always good to just say about the X-rays and the radiation. Yeah. And then other thing, whenever you're doing a CT, you need to do a contrast. So a contrast dye helps you to see structures more clearly. You do not need to do it with an fMRI, which is another benefit. Yeah. This one we're just thinking, why is it considered better? We just wanted to list benefits. Other thing I'm just gonna add on, make sure that you look at PET scans and X-rays as well. Those are the other two that you need to know for your course.